All right, so what we have here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2-inch thick prime ribeyes. And then we have an 1/8 one that was cut off one end. And then we have an abnormal one from the other end. This still weighs more than 1.5 pounds. And these are your beautiful cuts that you would present on a special occasion or just for the hell of it, right? And they're not trimmed. I'm not doing any fat trimming. They're just gonna be stored just like this. And when it's time to prep them and cook them, we'll deal with that then. But for now, that's not too shabby. Check that out.